What's up guys, NDM Tech here. With the current corona situation, you have to wear a mask while going outside. And while wearing a mask, Face ID won't work because it's an obstruction. In this video, I'll show you a way where you can get the Face ID to work even when you're wearing a mask. First, we have to go to Face ID settings and select Set up an alternative appearance. Now take your mask, fold it in half and cover it in such a way that your nose and half of your lips are visible. Now tap Get Started and let's set up the alternative appearance. Now let's wear the mask and see whether Face ID is working. So let's try, and there we go, the Face ID is working. I'm wearing a mask and the phone is unlocked. Let's try it once again. It's working. So yeah, this is how you get Face ID to work while wearing a mask. And with the current situation, stay safe, stay home and be precautious. That's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the next one.